basically a divorce case.
Mhm.
I'm a chemical engineer, sir. Sir, 18 साल हो चुके हैं, sir.
Your divorce petition has been dismissed by
Yes,
the
I've been dismissed.
lower court.
Mission, sir.
No, where is the other side?
Sir, the side कभी आते ही नहीं है, sir. They never appear, ना भोपाल में डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट में आई है, ना इधर आई है. मेरा 498 का केस था, सर. सर, उन्होंने डिवोर्स का ऑर्डर दे दिया है, सर.
किसने?
कैलकाटा हाई कोर्ट में. My name is Sudipta Saab, sir. I will be self-pursuing this case. So
Yes.
this is basically a divorce case.
Mhm.
I'm a chemical engineer, sir. Let me give you the Vakalatnama. I mean, it's the NFC.
Anybody appearing against you?
No, sir.
No.
It's basically a divorce case, sir. I'm a chemical engineer.
No. What are you challenging?
Okay, I'm a divorce, sir. It has been around 18 years. Sir, 18 साल हो चुके हैं, sir.
Your divorce petition has been dismissed by the
I've been dismissed.
lower court.
हाँ. So उसके बाद 2014 में फिर राजभरण सिंह करके मेरे पापा ने लॉयर देखा.
निरस्त घोषित किया जाए प्रस्तुत आवेदन. ठीक, निरस्त हो गया. Okay. Yes.
Sir, I will give a brief case history, sir, with your permission, sir.
No, where is the other side?
Sir, the side कभी आते ही नहीं है, sir. They never appear, ना भोपाल में डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट में आई है, ना इधर आई है.
क्या सर्व्ड है, देखिएगा.
Sir, if I, with your permission, can I start, sir?
Just a minute.
Okay.
Just a minute. You had filed an application for changing your counsel.
Yes, sir.
Are you pressing that, or you will argue yourself?
I'm arguing myself, sir.
You will not press that application.
Sir, this is the NOC from that previous.
All right. Doesn't matter. No, you can always argue your case.
Yeah.
There's no restriction, sir.
Uh-huh.
Yes. Sir. The notices were published in which newspaper?
सर वो हमने किया नहीं है. रीजन उसका एक है, सर, कि मैंने अपने वकील को, मेरे पिताजी तक थे, तो मेरे वकील हमने बताया था कि वो एक सिंगल पेज का A4 साइज का नोटिस था जो ये ऑनरेबल कोर्ट ने हमें दिया था. हमने बोला था कि वो काफी खर्चा हो रहा है, हाँ, फुल 1 पेज का देने का. सो व्हाट इट वाज अराउंड 5.5 लाख A4 साइज का पेपर. सर मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ, सर, वो उसके मैंने देखे थे, इतने का खर्चा हो रहा था. तो हमने बोला था अपने.
So where is the respondent situated?
So the respondent is in a village called Dasdhara, Hooghly district, West Bengal.
West Bengal.
मेरा 498 का केस था, सर. कैलकाटा हाई कोर्ट में मेरे फादर FIR क्वेश्चन के लिए गए थे, 498 क्वेश्चन के लिए. उन्होंने एक से डिवोर्स दे दिया है. I will show you the order. If you can just let me, sir.
Divorce हो गया.
सर उन्होंने डिवोर्स का ऑर्डर दे दिया है, सर.
किसने?
कैलकाटा हाई कोर्ट में. सर वो 498 क्वेश्चन में था. मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. Just give me a moment.
Where is that order?
I will just give it. So ये उनका केस पास ऑन कर रहे. 490 क्रॉस डिस्पोज कर दिए, बट उन्होंने डिवोर्स का इसमें ऑर्डर दे दिया है. ये पेज 2 में है. आप भी if you can also there's another copy I have brought. Yeah, आप दिखा सकते हैं.
So the notice that had been earlier sent by post, they have come back with the endorsement that there was nobody of this name found at the place.
Sir,
So the only option is to go in for publication.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The publication actually it is costing me around 5.5 lakhs or 6 lakhs. हाँ. So sir, हमने अपने वकील को बोला था हम ऐसा एक छोटा सा वो दे देते हैं 10x2 साइज का. So no, you need to give that. इतना completely, और ये हिंदी में भी है.
No, that is not necessary.
Okay.
We don't.
बहुत बोला, but
You can compress it.
That is what I said.
Yes, you can do that.
Yeah, वो हमने तुमको बोला, but he is not agreeing.
So that will become affordable.
Yeah.
You do that first.
Okay. Sir, if you can just hear me out, sir, once.
No, unless
okay.
that publication is done, we can't hear you.
So
any possibility of settlement?
But no, alimony has also been given 10 lakh rupees. Plus all the articles have been given. So it has been 18 years. So I'm an orphan. My parents are no more. I don't have any siblings too. And 490 केस के उसमें basis पे इस कैलकाटा हाई कोर्ट में तो दे दिया है. But it's a 498 case washing case, so I need to proceed that case out in there too.
Divorce.
And It has been 18 years, sir. Supreme Court, like Article 142, marriage is the. वो एक और कॉपी भी है उनको दिखा दीजिए वो जो उधर रखा हुआ.
No, in this Calcutta High Court order,
Yes.
you had made a submission that a decree of divorce has been, the marital ties have been terminated.
Yes.
Where is that?
It's 498 case question, sir. It was. So may.
No, 498 does not lead to breaking of marital ties.
Yes, that's correct, sir. But उन्होंने तो order किया है, sir. उन्होंने. I mean, Calcutta High Court ने.
Calcutta High Court has written your submission. They have not said anything about. This is a different case. It's a criminal case.
I presume, sir.
How do you make this statement that marital ties are broken? The divorce is not there. Divorce petition has been rejected by the Bhopal court.
Okay, so my only humble request is, sir, if you can give a, I mean, as 1 month or 15-20 days.
Yes, yes.
As far as I go, because I live in Bhopal,
All right.
and I will read the.
So make your publication.
Yes.
And then file an affidavit with the copy of the.
Okay.
Newspaper.
वो दे दीजिए. And the वकालतनामा, sir.
Which are those two newspapers of wide publicity in the area where she resides?
It's village. Hooghly district.
No, which are those papers? They should be newspapers.
I don't know the names, but
You find out, but there should be newspapers of wide publicity there.
yes, sir. I would certainly do it.
All right, लिखिए इसमें
And ये
जी.
वकालतनामा, सर, आपको इसमें रखना पड़ेगा, सर, ये सेल्स के लिए NOC जो है. I don't know.
No, you don't require a वकालतनामा.
Okay. So, sir, kindly give me.
Petitioner, the appellant in person. Next, para the records reveal that the notice earlier sent by post
I missed
had
that.
returned back with the endorsement that no one of the names of the respondent was found at the given address.
Sir,
Please, let me dictate the order.
I'm sorry.
The next para. As such, the only option available is to serve the respondent through paper publication. Next para. Let paper publication be made in two newspapers of wide publicity in the area where the respondent resides. One of vernacular language and the other of English.
Sir, I don't understand Bengali well.
And will the affidavit in that regard be filed? Let the same be done within 60 days. List the case on
So, ladies,
second week of September. You want some fixed date?
oh yeah, I mean, जल्दी कर सकते हैं, sir, if it's possible. Like
No,
in August.
we are giving you 60 days because it will take at least 30-40 days for you to
No, sir.
finish this entire process.
Actually,
No, some reasonable time has to be to the other side to respond.
yeah.
So that's why at least 1.5 months. That's why we're listing it after 60 days. So which is the date convenient to you?
So like August 15th.
No, in September.
September.
Sometime in the beginning of, there is a calendar right in front. Please see the date.
Okay, sir. 1st of September would be fine.
All right, 1st September.
Okay, sir. And it will be in English as well as in Bengali, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.